A rectangle tank is 2/3 filled with water. There is 48 liters of water in this tank. More water flows into the tank at a rate of 3 liters per minute. How long will it take to fill the tank completely? Now, as it is, there's already 2/3 of water inside this tank, which means 1 whole minus 2/3. You just need another 1/3 more water to fill up the tank completely. Okay, so at the moment you already have 2/3 filled up. You just need 1/3 to be filled up next. So we know that 2/3 represents 48 liters. We can certainly find what is 1/3 representing. So 48 divided by 2, so this will be 24 liters. Okay, so this is actually a unitary step. 2 units, 48 liters. What is 1 unit? Alright, so we know that 24 liters of water is needed to fill the tank up completely. And we know that 3 liters of water is going in for every 1 minute. So 24 divided by 3, 8 more minutes is needed to fill up this tank completely.